And we would like to present our product development concept. We have chosen the product to be a backpack since it's an easy product and a lot of things we can do with it. We would like to start by doing a little skit to show how we did the 6 thinking hats, which is one of the tools that we use during our concept development. Each of us is going to wear a hat which represents a color, which represents a perspective that we have during our development. Right.
Hi guys, my first ideas on this bag is having an audio jack in our bag, because as an ordinary bag they only have this hole to put MP3 player's cables. So sometimes you stuck in here, think about our customer needs. We need something that easy to use. So instead of this hole, I was thinking if we can implement the audio jack in here.
Yeah,
I
like this idea very much. A lot of customers have the need. We have students as customers. They like listening to music. We can combine these two aspects.
So you say you wanna integrate the cable in the bag.
It is. Yeah.
But what happens if, for example, something hits the bag and the cable breaks?
Maybe we can make the audio jack made of rubber, so it grips the cord, and it's also soft. And we can make maybe the diameter somewhere in 6 millimeters, so the audio jack can fit in through comfy.
Yeah, I agree with this idea. I love the working with the music. You can relax from your busy day of working. It's great.
Actually, guys, the idea of audio jack is a really good idea, but it's not so innovative because our other competitors has this idea, but we can keep it in our mind. Go on.
Okay. What about the materials? Because this is same old materials that we can see in the market. We need to create something more innovative, more durable. We need to create something have the wow effect. For example, a bulletproof material. Do you have anything like bulletproof material?
Well, there's this thing called Kevlar 29.
Yeah.
It's a fabric used in bulletproof vests. It will definitely increase strength and durability.
Oh, that's good.
This idea is so cool. The material is so tough, it's so durable, and I feel safe when wearing it. And it's a cool stuff to show off with your friend. See, I got a bulletproof bag on my back.
Are you sure it wouldn't increase the price of the bag? Because I don't think it's very cheap material.
You have to keep in mind that we are not only wasting money and we spend more in the production. It's also create value and higher quality.
Yeah. The second thing I want to do is, which is like, instead of having the soft thing, we can have like carbon fiber, for example. They're actually kind of hard things, so we can protect the things in a bag, like you have sandwich or other thing which is really fragile. You really need something that can protect your bag.
Carbon fiber is actually tougher than steel, and it also comes in fabric form and lighter.
Yeah, a lot of that.
Sorry, Sean. I just cannot agree with you at this point, because the carbon fiber is so hard, and when you're wearing it, it's like a box on your back. It doesn't that good, and what happens if you fall off? It will cut your skin, and it's not comfortable at all.
Yeah, also we have to focus on the bag that we want to develop. We're trying to develop a bag for school and office use. And if we make it out of carbon fiber or Kevlar, which are high-tech materials, those materials are more towards professionals or maybe people doing extreme sports who need a really durable bag.
I would say when we look at this both, it's a good combination, and we go with both the Kevlar and the carbonite support in the same direction to create more durability in our product.
I think the idea of having innovative material in our bag is a good idea, but we need to have in our mind that we want to have something more affordable for school use and office use. So we can have in our mind that we can change the material of the bag, but this will be expensive.
Oh yeah, I think of something. The other day, I was thinking, nowadays a lot of people want projectors, even friend's house or some demonstration. If we could actually create a small pocket here, then we can let customer choose an optional product, which is a LED projector, so you can use it anytime with a built-in battery. So it's portable. You can project to the wall. How do you think?
Don't you think that would break very easily? I mean, it's projectors with lenses and stuff like that. It's very, it can break very easily.
You know, there are actually projectors. They call it eco projectors these days, which can, you know, project images with aspect ratios of 50. They're just as small as remote controls, and they come in with maybe 1 to 2 to 3 year warranty. So
Actually, I like these ideas very much. It's so creative and so innovative. You can show the picture or movie to your friend everywhere, just project on the wall. It's a really cool idea. I'll buy it. I'll definitely buy it.
Yeah, I like also this idea. It's innovative and it's a real different to other products. We could go on we could extend our market and the customers we can reach with this.
The idea is good, but you know, guys, again about the price and affordability, I don't think that it will be a good thing. But we can use it. We can have it as an optional thing in our bag. So it's a good idea.
I guess we'll make a good progress.
So guys, I hope this little demonstration could give you an impression of the discussion we had several hours using this method. With the result of this method and the other method we used, we started then the house of quality. One part of the house of quality was to rank our competitors. Here we see the ranking of competitor A, competitor B, and we ranked, of course, also ourselves. In the next step, we set a planned level in the different categories we have, which level we want to reach. I would like to highlight here two aspects. The first one is when we have a look here at no sliding. You can see the orange line that our ranking is the lowest and competitor 4 is on the highest level. In the voice of customer, this no sliding area had a lower priority. So we decided just to develop our product one level more to save resources and but on the same time not be the worst company in this area. In opposite to this, when you have a look at durability, you can see that all three companies are on the same level. This was in the voice of customer the highest priority, so we decided here to spend there most of our resources and to develop it 2 more levels so that we will have a competitive advantage in this area. In the next step you can see the difference between our level and the planned level. And doing the house of quality, at the end we calculated the overall importance. We can see here the result, and very clearly we can identify 3 major parts: easy to carry, capacity and durability are very important.
Thank you, Frank. As you can see here, this is our result that we use in the storing board. We transform a customer need to a bag specification. These are the bag specification. And as Frank said just now, we actually emphasize on 3 aspects. So the first one is durability. We convert it into a durable front cover. And the second thing is capacity. So we increase the volume of the bag to fulfill the customer need. And the last thing is lightweight materials. So to have an easy carry bag, we definitely need a lightweight materials. So with all these important aspects, we hope that our product will definitely be competitive in the market. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.